Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you 10 different head wrap hairstyles that you can do on your natural hair, just in case any day you're having a bad hair day or you just don't feel like to comb your hair. You can just use a scarf, a head tie or anything, a blouse, and you can do these different type of styles on your head and you'll be looking really cute. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so I put my hair to the back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my little scarf thing here and I'm going to carry the hair all the way here. Make sure that it is even. I'm going to make a tie like this, make another tie. You can see like that, and then you're going to stick it around the back like this, and you do the same thing to this, and there you have it. Yeah, that was so cute. You just have your little bun in the back like that. Let me show you the back. Funny. Okay, so I'm taking another head wrap that I have and I'm going to be going like this, and I'm going to be making a tie like this. There we go. And I'm going to be taking one piece, wrapping it around the hair. And then you tuck it in. Then the other piece that you have, you would go the other way. And you just tuck the end piece in, and there you have it. Nice little head wrap. Like, let me show you the back. Nice little cute head wrap. I don't know about you, but I think this is cute. Okay, so also let me show you this one. I have made this one, so I just took some belts from like some dresses that I have and I just braid them up, and all you can do is just go like this and make a tie at the back over your bun. Make sure it's even on both sides, and then you make a tie at the back. And that's it. Like, that's cute. Oh, make another knot. Like, Now that's cute. Now that is so cute. Okay, now take these off. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is with these. But what you want to do, you want to make a little bun. There we go. You have a little thing right here. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment on this video. You can also comment which one was your favorite style and which one you did. And don't forget, if you recreate these styles, please don't forget to tag me or reach out to me on social media. I want to see how you do it on your hair, and I post every Friday, so don't miss them. And go ahead and click down below and check out some recent videos of mine, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.